Hey, what's going on, guys? Todok Tech here. Welcome back to another PC build part list review video. So for this video, our price point is $700, but what's cool is we were able to save $7.84. But getting right into it, guys, for our fans for this case, we decided to go with the UpHere 120mm wireless RGB fans. This comes in a pack of 3 for only $20. And it even comes with this nice little remote to change the colors of the fans. Then for the RAM, we went with the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 16GB 3200mHz RAM. Which, guys, it's always good to get RAM because without RAM, your PC can't really run. Ha, jokes. And then for our processor, we went with the Ryzen 5 2600. The cool thing about the Ryzen products, they actually come with their own coolers, which is actually pretty good. Next, for a case, we went with the Thermaltake Versa H18 tempered glass side panel. So this is a micro ATX gaming computer case, but it does have plenty of airflow in it, so you can get a lot of good airflow. That's why we only got 3 fans, because you can only fit 1 in the top and 2 in the front. So therefore you can have positive airflow where you get 2 fans bringing air in and 2 fans bringing air out. Then for our storage, we went with the ADATA SU800 256GB SSD. Next, for our power supply, we went with the Thermaltake Smart 600W. It's an 80 plus certified active PFC power supply, which is actually really good for its money. Because, to be honest, I am running the 700 watt version, and I am loving it. It's been about a month since I built my PC, and guys, I don't see any bad review, or I'm giving it a 5-star review. Then, for our graphics card, we went with the same graphics card as last video, which is the Sapphire Technology RX 580. So this is still a good graphics card, and you can actually dual monitor it, or however monitors you want, but it does come with 2 HDMIs, which is actually really convenient. Then, for our hard drive, we went with the Seagate 1TB Barracuda hard drive. Then with our motherboard that all of our stuff goes onto is the MSI B450M Pro VDH Max. So I could have probably used that $7.84 towards another motherboard, but I wasn't thinking then. But I'm still liking this motherboard. I am most likely going to do a review on it. So I'm probably going to take it out of the box, and record a review video for you guys. But yeah. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up for this video. If you guys did enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, the links to the parts are in the description below, just in case you guys want to order this for yourself. I only have the US links. I'm probably going to figure out the UK links for you guys. So, yeah. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day. Goodbye.